Everything in life is a form of art. The art of speaking, the art of showing up in the world, the art of argumentation, and also the art of suffering. I guess this is the most important skill to learn if we want to live a meaningful life, a life of no regret and contentment. Everything in life is one. We are all connected from one source. We came here from the same place. We are all equal, but the ego separates us. The ego is our unconscious mind, our traumas, our shadow, and our blind spot. The ego is not a bad thing. They are here as a catalyst for the human evolution. I know it's very hard to see clearly when someone hurts us so badly. That makes us so lonely, hopeless, and losing faith. I've been in those darkest moments where I can't see a way out, everything seems blocked, and I felt so stuck and so depressed. The reason was because I resist what happened to me. I can't accept it. I try hard to change it and unconsciously manipulated the situation. All of that only intensified the suffering. So the first step is always feel everything without judgment. Feel the anger, the sadness, cry it out loud, scream into the pillow, let everything out, let it surface, and don't run away from it. The more we run from the pain, the more it will haunt us like ghosts. The suffering will always chase us like a tornado, no matter how good we are covering it. The next step is radical acceptance, knowing that everything that is happening is always for our own good, no matter how painful it is. More suffering means that we have a lot of beliefs and patterns that doesn't serving us anymore. Therefore, we need to let go of it. This is the hard part. We need to observe our own ego. We need to be face to face with our own darkness and traumas. It is going to be very uncomfortable, but this is the only way. Most people don't understand that the more we feel our pain, the fastest we heal, the quicker we are to happiness. The pain will not chase us anymore. The pain will turn into wisdom. One of the purpose of life is to become conscious, integrating the shadow into the light. We are all in for life, and thus life will provide us with everything more than we can imagine. We have to learn how to suffer well. There is nothing more important than our own emotional well-being. This is an act of self-love, and it is not selfish at all. The pain will guide us to the root of our suffering if we have the courage to follow their lead. That is for sure. Most likely, it is because the limiting beliefs we adopt as a child, and those beliefs overpower us, and we believe it is true because it feels familiar, even though it is painful. Life is all about beliefs and perception. The more beliefs we have, the more we are bound to be their prisoner, but we don't realize it. For example, if we believe that divorce is a bad thing, we will hold on to the marriage just for the sake of the children and the social status. Our children can feel our toxic energy in the house, and we are only presenting our children that love is painful and full of sorrow. So, we must review our belief around marriage so that we can be happy again. The suffering leads to a big transformation where we have to examine all of our beliefs that no longer serving us. Don't be afraid to suffer and to feel pain, because this is the only way for growth and expansion. Change your mindset about pain, and you are surely will begin to open a new pathway for a fulfilling and a joyful life. Thank you so much for watching. Sending love to whoever is suffering right now. You are a warrior.
I'm waiting at the doorstep, I'm finally home. I've been gone for too long.